Traders, here's that Russell 2000, the rut. Remember in December we said that the Russell 2000 would outperform, and it certainly has, and we've gone straight up 2 months in a row. That's when that breakout in small caps happened. Then we have the inside month and a 2 month breakout. We're up here at the highs right now with the Fed lowering interest rates. That is good for small caps. That is good for the Russell 2000. Let that be known, and the stocks that are in them, and they've had great rallies, and that this Russell has not performed in 3 years. It's back in the bull mode. Buy the dips on the small caps while the large caps sell off. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Start trading with Tommy Trader. Let us teach you. Let us teach you how to make that money. Take the next step. Sign up so that we can conquer these markets together. That's what I do with you. I bring out all the great entries and the exits and the stop management and many things that go along with it. But we've had a nice 5 month rally in the small caps. We have a pullback that's coming, but we remain very optimistic on small cap stocks in calendar 2024. We told everybody that. It's on the YouTube channel that small cap would outperform, and that's what you see. That's what's happening. Sign up, get the small cap plays.